Unleashing the power of the Lamborghini Aventador, a masterpiece of automotive engineering. Since its introduction in 2011, the Lamborghini Aventador has been one of the most iconic and revered supercars in the world. With its distinctive design, awe-inspiring performance, and advanced technology, the Aventador represents the ultimate expression of the Lamborghini brand's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering. In this article, we will explore the key features and technologies that make the Lamborghini Aventador a true masterpiece of automotive design and engineering. Unmatched performance and power. Under the hood of the Lamborghini Aventador lies a naturally aspirated V12 engine that delivers a breathtaking 770 horsepower and 531 lb-ft of torque. This impressive powertrain is paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, allowing the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds and reach a top speed of 217 miles per hour. But the Aventador's performance isn't just about straight-line speed. The car's advanced suspension system and aerodynamic design allow it to handle with precision and agility, making it a joy to drive on winding roads and racetracks alike. Innovative design and engineering. From its unmistakable wedge-shaped profile to its sharp angular lines and aggressive stance, the Lamborghini Aventador is a work of art in motion. But the car's design isn't just about aesthetics. It is also a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to innovation and engineering excellence. The Aventador's lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis is both incredibly strong and rigid, providing a solid foundation for the car's advanced suspension and drivetrain systems. And the car's active aerodynamics, which include a range of adjustable flaps and spoilers, allow it to maintain optimal downforce and stability at high speeds. Inside, the Aventador is a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship. From the hand-stitched leather seats and carbon fiber accents to the advanced infotainment system and driver assistance technologies, the car offers a driving experience that is both thrilling and luxurious. In summary, the Bugatti Chiron is an iconic supercar that represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering and design. With its unmatched power and performance, advanced aerodynamics and design features, and a legacy of innovation and excellence, the Chiron is a true testament to the possibilities of automotive engineering.